Well, guys, it seems like Moneybagg Yo's baby mama Juicy and his girlfriend Ari Fletcher are getting into it on social media. So Ari posted on her Instagram stories a picture of her wearing a shirt that says, "His ex is my biggest fan." And then next thing you know, Juicy posted a video on her Instagram stories and said, "Tell your boyfriend to stop calling me." So then next thing you know, Ari posted this and it says, "May is Mental Health Awareness Month," basically saying that Juicy has some mental health issues. So Moneybagg Yo tweets and says, "Ain't nobody talking about me." Ari then says, "Don't say nobody, say your baby mama. It's been 5 years of stalking and harassment. This issue so beneath me." And then Ari then says, "You on your page promoting fraud and getting child support. You live in a effing R&B. We call you the cafeteria lady. You was a P word that he got pregnant. Nobody is effed up about him but you." So then Ari says, "Drop some receipts or leave it on the playground." Juicy goes to her Instagram story and says, "MFs can't never put a name on ish cause they P word as F. Only thing mental is your fake happy behind. It be the MFs you least expect to be watching like an MF on God. Right game but wrong be F you mean." She then says, 5 years of what? Yeah, somebody been misleading you real bad, Jigsaw. Ain't no way you thinking this. You the goofer or gopher. AB. I see stalk, harass who, man. You so lost in the MF sauce, it's sad. She then says, "And he ain't never gonna say me, stupid B word. He know I ain't stalking or harassing no MF on your life, the F." She then says, "Airbnb, ask him, do I live in an Airbnb, Bookie? Like I said, all your info is wrong, you stupid A word." Juicy then says, "Child support, girl, go to F the bed, dummy. You clearly don't know ish." She then says, "P word, lies," and then she went right back to promoting them scams, talking about if you have an active Navy Federal and had it for a minute and want some quick money fast, money in seconds, inbox me and I can get you right. It's coming like a second income tax if you use the account right, get at me. Then she gonna tell us some no scams. Girl, everybody know that is a scam. And then the last thing that Juicy said was, "I've been living in Miami for almost 2 years now. Y'all don't be knowing absolutely nothing, man. I've been here, the F." Well, at the end of the day, it do seem like sometimes Juicy is stalking Ari, because Ari will get a hairstyle, the next thing you know, Juicy got a hairstyle. Or Ari will say something, the next thing you know, Juicy then posted in her Instagram story something similar about what Ari then tweeted or said. Now, I wonder what Moneybagg Yo was telling Ari and what is he telling Juicy, because for some reason, people still feel like Juicy and Moneybagg Yo is still sleeping together. Hell, they probably are. That's probably why he ain't telling Juicy she need to stay in her place and leave Ari alone. But anyways, you guys let me know your thoughts and opinions on this down in the comment section below. Well, moving on to the next topic, people noticed that Young Miami has finally unfollowed Diddy, and last night she was spotted with her baby daddy Southside. So people feel like she's giving her baby daddy Southside another chance. Mind y'all, Southside just had a baby like 6 months ago. But you guys let me know your thoughts and opinions on it. I mean, we seen that Young Miami was still messing with Diddy on one of her Finstas. She told us they was the new Bobby and Whitney. So who knows if this is just something that she's doing on her public platform, but on her Finsta, you know, she's still posting him like she already was. But you guys let me know your thoughts and opinions on this down in the comment section below. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will talk to you guys in the next video.